Astronomers have detected a rumbling cosmic bass note of gravitational waves, which are thought to be produced by the slow-motion mergers of supermassive black holes across the entire universe. This observation is the first-ever detection of low-frequency ripples in the fabric of space-time. Scientists believe that supermassive black holes orbiting around each other send off waves throughout the universe, like the tenors and bass of the cosmic opera. These supermassive black holes are millions to billions times the mass of the Sun and have played a profound role in shaping galaxies, but have remained elusive so far because no light can escape their vise-like grip. Albert Einstein had first predicted the existence of gravitational waves a century ago, and a 2016 breakthrough by the US-based Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory (LIGO) had delivered proof that space itself can be stretched and squeezed. Until now, scientists have only been able to capture short chirps of gravitational waves linked to mergers of black holes or neutron stars that were only slightly larger than the Sun. The latest observations tune into a far deeper frequency range, with a single complete wave traveling at the speed of light, taking roughly 30 years to pass by Earth. Scientists think this cosmic rumble is probably produced by the entire population of supermassive black hole binaries over roughly past 8 billion years. The detection was made by meticulously monitoring more than 100 pulsars, exotic stars that spin hundreds of times each second, creating lighthouse-like beams of radio waves. These pulses are so stable that tiny changes in timing caused by the stretching and squeezing of the fabric of space can be picked up. Galaxies across the universe are constantly colliding and merging together. As this happens, scientists believe that the enormous black holes at the centers of these galaxies also come together and get locked into a dance before they finally collapse into each other. So far, scientists had only been able to listen to waves at high frequencies. But this discovery means that for the first time ever, scientists have been finally able to hear low-frequency gravitational waves.